somebody that can make that possible. Right now also, I would like to thank my mentors, Sandy, Pax and Gina, Percy and Venus, Erwin, Dandy, Thomas, Rona. Thank you for leading very inspiring lives. I also want to thank my partners. Thank you so much for your passion to go after your dreams. Has really inspired me to become a better leader. And I would like to thank my papa, my mama, my family, Erwin. Kayo po talaga yung really inspiration ko. Thank you for raising me and my ate. Go after our dreams. Thank you for raising us very well. To God be the glory.